Hey, this is a B-roll video clip of Mevo Studio using for my live stream. Basically, I'm going through the camera sequence right now. Camera 3, camera 4 coming up. And then I'm scrolling down to a couple of lower thirds to test that. And then eventually to the media player, which is a bumper I created using drone footage. Let's see, it should play here momentarily. And basically it's about a minute long, I guess. And it's basically clips from outside the church, some aerial footage, and then back to camera 1.